when you don't have a lot of space, but you want to have options, you need to know how to optimize your wardrobe. And that's what I'm going to talk today. I'm going to Mexico City again. So I'm going to spend the holidays there and I'm packing my luggage to go there. So this time I didn't get like any extra luggage. I'm going with a carry-on. What is a challenge because I am not a light packer. I like to have options for all the days. I also don't like to use the same clothes like over and over. I'm gonna be there for 10 days. Everything that I chose, you can mix the bottoms with the tops, regardless if you're like really using what you chose before or not. So things that I need to consider is what's the weather, what kind of clothes I want to wear, um, and what I'm gonna be doing there. So the weather there is gonna be around 8 to 22 Celsius. I should have things that you're gonna wear under your clothes or over your clothes and then another layer over, which means like starts very cold, so I need a jacket over, but I'm gonna be taking my layers off during the day and then putting them back when the day is so ending. So I need options that I need to take them off. So everything that I have here, most of them, they are for mid seasons, even though it's December. So I tried everything before and now I can actually change in case I don't want to wear that top with that pants. Those are basic things. They actually go along with a lot of the other things. So I can put a sweater over different tops. I have two different blazers and I can mix them with a lot of my outfits. It's holiday season, so I have an outfit for Christmas and an outfit for New Year's. So it means like I need to have something that probably is gonna be harder to wear in another day. We have two pair of pants. These two are gonna be my to-go pants. Almost every day I'm gonna be wearing one of them. Also trying all my jewelry to make sure that I'm gonna take only what is necessary. Jewelry usually doesn't take a lot of space, but it's heavy. If you wanna carry jewelry in a luggage, you're gonna just like carrying extra things if you're not sure what you're gonna take it with you. So I literally have one set of silver jewelry, another one of gold, and some brooches. This is what I'm taking with me for my trip. So if you look at my rack, the colors are very neutral. I have this pair of denim here. And I tried with these three options. A bodysuit, a silk top, a black top. It's not gonna take a lot of space and weight in my luggage. I have a sweater, which one I'm gonna wear probably only the sweater, black pants, outfits. So from here, I can wear like this black top that is gonna be all black, super basic. But honestly, if I add a brooch here or a necklace, I'll change the top for something more interesting. Then I have this top that I can wear with a shirt under or only the silk shirt. I have this strapless top that I can also do with the shirt in case it gets more chilly, or I can only wear strapless top. I have another white shirt that's a cropped shirt. Material is super soft. It's the one that I'm gonna be traveling with, so it's a good pants for the airplane. Then I have my New Year's dress that I'm gonna be wearing with the blazer and this belt on the top. So it's gonna be looking like as a skirt with a belt. I have the best dress you can have for any trip is this one. This dress, there is nothing in the world that is better than this because this material, it doesn't wrinkle. So I just steam at home before I go and I don't have to worry about this at any other time. If it wrinkles a bit, once I'm taking a shower, I hang it there and it steams itself. It's incredible. I have two blazers that I'm gonna be wearing with all these outfits. When we were talking about a carry-on, I like to pack half of the carry-on with clothes. On the other half, you pack shoes, toiletries, jewelry. The thing about this luggage, I got a few new clothes so I could have a interesting wardrobe there. Didn't want to do colors because I feel like sometimes when you try to blend a lot of colors, or you're gonna be very colorful, that is not my mood, or you're gonna need to have specific things to match with other things. So the way I like to travel with the carry-on is you have two pair of pants, two different. Usually I take blazers with me, but coats, outerwear, things that are gonna go over, and different options of things that go under. In between all like those tops, it's nice to have a sweater. It's nice to have a shirt. It's nice to have. I like my mock neck. It's my signature, I would say. For all this outfits, I'm taking one pair of heels for my parties. Short heels, nothing crazy, easy to pack, easy to walk. Taking two flats with me. These flats are the ones that I'm gonna be wearing most all every day, and they are going inside the carry-on. So all my outfits I can wear with this shoe. But it's cold in New York, so I have another pair of shoes that is the one that I'm gonna be wearing to go to the airport. And this is what I'm wearing to go to the airport. So this, the black pants, probably my mock neck, a blazer, and another winter coat over, I'm gonna be wearing. So those things are not, I'm not gonna pack. So you can take a few things from your luggage because you're gonna go wearing things that you're gonna need there. So this is another option of shoes that I can be wearing there, besides my two flats. So if you look at that, I have three option of shoes for 10 days. And which means that like I'm gonna wear each shoes like 3 days. To start, I always roll my clothes instead of folding them. Rolling not only saves the space, but also helps prevent wrinkles. I organize the items from the most bulky to the less bulky. This way, the smaller pieces can fill in the gaps at the end, maximizing every inch of space in the suitcase. I'm also very mindful of protecting delicate items. For example, if I'm packing anything with embellishings or embroidery, I make sure to keep those pieces separate from others to avoid damage. On the other side of the suitcase, I pack my shoes. I always place each shoes in a separate dust bag to keep them protected and to make sure they don't get other items dirty. After the shoes, I move to bags, lingerie, toiletries, and accessories. I organize my toiletries into two separate bags, one for liquids and one from non-liquids. The bag with liquids goes in my handbag so it's easy to access during the security screening, avoiding the need to open my suitcase at the X-ray. This time, I'm not bringing many accessories like I mentioned, so I'm storing them inside of one of the bags I'm packing to keep them safe. Lastly, I add any extra I can fit, like my Dyson, which I managed to squeeze in this time. Once everything's in, I take a moment to reorganize the last few pieces like a puzzle, making sure everything fits perfectly and not is left out. And that's how I pack my carry-on, to make the most of its space while keeping everything organized and protected. Here's a look at some of the outfits I wore during my trip. All packed in the suitcase I showed you earlier. I included a mix of casual and dressy looks along with a few of my favorite accessories to complete each outfit. Check the shorts to see more of them and let me know which one is your favorite. For today, that's it. That's everything that I'm taking with me. For follow my other socials, I'm gonna be posting my outfits, especially on my TikTok, and subscribe, ring the bell, so you can keep updated on my new and next videos. Bye, and Happy New Year!